Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a custom pattern watch face on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this on the Heytap Health app, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Manage in the bottom right corner. Then tap Watch Faces. Scroll down to the pattern watch face and tap on it. Choose a color combination. You can also tap the color wheel to get more color options. Then tap paintbrush and choose which paintbrush you would like. Tap shape and choose the type of shape that you would like to create. Now use your finger to create the shape that you would like. If you aren't happy with your shape, you can tap clear to try again. But if you like your shape, then tap done in the top right corner. You can now choose which type of clock you would like. Tap add to add your pattern watch face to your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.